Welcome back to Smart Gadget, where I test the internet's hottest products so you can shop smarter and smile brighter. In today's video, we're diving into the top 13 best teeth whitening products right now. From whitening strips and LED kits to professional gels and quick touch-up pens, I'll show you what actually works, which options give the best value. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on updates. Colgate Whitening Mint Pack Mix. I really like how simple and refreshing the Colgate Whitening Mint Pack feels during everyday use. This whitening option combines fresh breath support with stain-fighting ingredients that help remove coffee, tea, and food discoloration without making my routine complicated. The mint flavor feels clean and strong without being overpowering, and the formula works nicely for daily brushing. I also noticed the toothpaste leaves my mouth feeling polished and smooth after every use. If you want something affordable, easy to use, and reliable for maintaining a brighter smile, this pack is definitely worth considering. It's especially great for busy people who want whitening results without adding another complicated step into their routine. Plus, the multi-pack setup gives solid value and lasts a long time for regular use. Purple Whitening Powder Duo. The Purple Whitening Powder Duo instantly grabbed my attention because it works differently from standard whitening products. Instead of harsh bleaching, this powder uses color correction technology to help neutralize yellow tones and make teeth appear brighter immediately. I found it super easy to apply, and the powder texture mixes smoothly while brushing. It's a fun product that gives quick visual improvement before photos, events, or nights out. What I enjoy most is how lightweight and convenient the formula feels during use. The Duo package also makes it easy to keep one at home and another while traveling. If you want a whitening product that delivers a fast cosmetic boost without a complicated process, this option is surprisingly impressive. It's trendy, simple, and enjoyable for everyday smile touch-ups. Purple Smile Whitening Strips. Purple Smile Whitening Strips are designed for people who want convenience and visible results without spending hours whitening their teeth. I liked how flexible and comfortable the strips felt once applied because they stayed in place without sliding around. The purple color correcting technology helps reduce yellow appearance while supporting a cleaner, brighter look over time. I also appreciated that the strips were easy to remove and didn't leave behind a sticky mess afterward. They fit nicely into a busy schedule since the treatment sessions are quick and beginner-friendly. If traditional whitening strips usually feel uncomfortable for you, these may feel gentler while still giving noticeable improvement. Overall, they're a practical option for anyone wanting an easy, at-home whitening routine that feels modern, effective, and simple to maintain regularly monthly. Gain & See Whitening Gel Refill. The Gain & See Whitening Gel Refill is a great choice if you already own a whitening tray or LED system and need extra whitening gel. I found the formula easy to dispense, and the consistency spreads evenly across trays without creating too much mess. It's designed to help reduce common surface stains from coffee, tea, wine, and smoking while keeping the whitening process simple. One thing I appreciated was how little product is needed during each session, which helps the refill last longer. The compact packaging also makes storage convenient inside a bathroom drawer or travel bag. If you regularly whiten your teeth at home and want a refill that feels affordable and practical, this product delivers dependable performance. It's straightforward, easy to use, and works well for maintaining consistent whitening treatments over time. Sensitive Whitening Strip Kit. If you have sensitive teeth but still want a brighter smile, the Sensitive Whitening Strip Kit is definitely worth checking out. I know many whitening products can feel uncomfortable after several uses, but this kit focuses on a gentler experience while still helping reduce visible stains. The strips feel soft, flexible, and secure during application, which makes the entire process easier for beginners. I also liked that the treatment sessions are short enough to fit into a busy routine without feeling inconvenient. The formula is designed to be less aggressive, making it more comfortable for people who usually avoid whitening products because of sensitivity concerns. Overall, this kit feels balanced, practical, and user-friendly. It's a solid option for maintaining a cleaner smile without dealing with strong irritation or overwhelming whitening treatments afterward. IntelliWHiTE Whitening Strips. IntelliWHiTE whitening strips impressed me because they combine convenience, comfort, and professional-style whitening support in one easy package. The strips adhere nicely to teeth without constantly slipping, which makes them much easier to wear during daily activities. I also noticed the formula feels smooth and lightweight compared to thicker whitening strips that sometimes become uncomfortable. These strips are designed to target common stains from coffee, soda, and everyday foods while supporting a cleaner, brighter smile over time. Another thing I liked was the simple application process because it doesn't require extra tools or complicated preparation. If you're searching for whitening strips that feel modern, reliable, and easy to add into your regular routine, this option is definitely worth considering. It's practical for beginners and convenient enough for consistent long-term use at home with whitening strips. LED Teeth Whitening Kit. The LED Teeth Whitening Kit feels like bringing a professional whitening setup directly into your home. I really liked how the kit combines whitening gel with LED light technology to create a more advanced treatment experience. The mouthpiece fits comfortably, and the setup process is surprisingly simple, even for first-time users. The included whitening gel helps target surface stains, while the LED light supports the overall whitening process during each session. I also appreciated that the sessions are fairly quick and easy to fit into a regular routine. If you want something that feels more powerful than traditional whitening strips, this kit offers a modern and convenient alternative. Overall, it's a solid choice for people who enjoy technology-driven beauty products and want a brighter smile without scheduling expensive professional whitening appointments regularly every month. Opalescence 10% Gel. Opalescence 10% Gel is one of the most recognized whitening gels for people who prefer customized whitening trays at home. I like that the lower concentration formula feels more comfortable for extended use while still helping reduce noticeable discoloration over time. The gel consistency spreads evenly inside trays, making application cleaner and easier than many cheaper alternatives. Another feature I appreciated was the fresh flavor, which helps the whitening sessions feel less unpleasant. This product works especially well for people who want gradual whitening instead of extremely fast results that may feel harsh on sensitive teeth. If you already own whitening trays or use retainers, adding this gel into your routine is very convenient. Overall, it's dependable, professional feeling, and ideal for maintaining a cleaner, brighter smile through consistent use at home. Pro Whitening Gel Kit. The Pro Whitening Gel Kit offers a more complete whitening experience for people who want stronger at-home treatments. I really liked how the kit includes everything needed to start whitening immediately without purchasing extra accessories separately. The gel formula is designed to target stubborn stains from coffee, wine, and everyday foods while helping teeth appear brighter after consistent sessions. I also appreciated how simple the instructions were because beginners can easily follow the routine without confusion. The trays fit comfortably and the gel application process feels smooth and manageable. If you want a whitening solution that feels more advanced than basic toothpaste or strips, this kit is definitely worth considering. Overall, it's practical, easy to use, and suitable for anyone wanting a more complete whitening system that fits conveniently into regular home routines. Swissker Whitening Foam. Swissker Whitening Foam stands out because it delivers whitening support in a lightweight foam format that feels fresh and convenient during daily use. I found the foam texture surprisingly comfortable because it spreads evenly and rinses away easily without leaving a sticky feeling behind. The formula is designed to help reduce surface stains while supporting cleaner-looking teeth after regular brushing sessions. I also liked that it works well alongside electric toothbrushes, making it simple to add into an existing routine. Another great feature is the refreshing taste, which leaves the mouth feeling clean after every use. If you prefer quick whitening products without complicated trays or strips, this foam is a great alternative. Overall, it feels modern, practical, and easy to use for maintaining a brighter smile while keeping your routine fast and convenient every day first. Venus Visage Pen. The Venus Visage Pen is perfect for quick whitening touch-ups when you're traveling, working, or getting ready for an important event. I really enjoy how compact and portable this whitening pen feels because it fits easily inside a pocket, purse, or travel bag. The brush applicator makes the gel simple to apply directly onto teeth without creating a mess. I also appreciated how fast the application process is, since it only takes a few moments during a busy day. The formula helps improve the appearance of surface stains while supporting a cleaner, brighter smile over time. If you want a whitening product that feels convenient and beginner-friendly, this pen is definitely worth considering. Overall, it's practical, lightweight, and ideal for maintaining whitening results between larger treatments or professional-style whitening sessions at home. LED Whitening Kit. This LED whitening kit combines whitening gel and light technology to create a more modern, at-home whitening experience. I liked how the kit feels organized and beginner-friendly because everything needed for treatment comes inside the package. The LED mouthpiece sits comfortably while the whitening gel works on common stains caused by coffee, tea, soda, and food. The treatment sessions are also short enough to fit into a regular daily schedule without becoming annoying or time-consuming. I noticed the kit feels more advanced than standard whitening strips, especially for people wanting stronger cosmetic improvement at home. Another advantage is the reusable setup, which makes long-term whitening more convenient. Overall, this kit offers a balanced mix of comfort, simplicity, and effectiveness for anyone wanting a brighter smile without visiting expensive whitening clinics regularly weeks apart.
Opalescence 35% Gel Kit. Opalescence 35% Gel Kit is designed for people who want a stronger whitening option with professional-style performance at home. I immediately noticed how concentrated the formula feels compared to lower-strength whitening gels, making it better suited for experienced users. The gel works well with whitening trays and helps target deeper stains from coffee, wine, and long-term discoloration. I also appreciated the smooth consistency because it spreads evenly without excessive leaking during treatment sessions. Since this formula is stronger, it's important to follow instructions carefully and avoid overusing the product. If you're looking for a more powerful whitening experience that feels closer to professional treatments, this kit is definitely worth considering. Overall, it's effective, reliable, and ideal for people wanting noticeable whitening support while maintaining an easy at-home routine consistently.
Before we wrap up, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Thanks for spending time with me here on Smart Gadget while we explored these amazing teeth whitening products. I hope this video helped you find the perfect option for a brighter, cleaner smile. Let me know in the comments which product caught your attention the most, and I'll see you in the next review video soon.